with Ethereum. You know, guys, like I mean, um, Ethereum actually is going to show us like give us that perspective as to what we might expect with altcoins, okay? Because Ethereum is kind of like the mover or like the shakers of altcoins. So if Ethereum is not going to be doing that well, then some altcoins are not going to do well too. But like most altcoins are not going to do well. So we need to see Ethereum break from this range here, this zone, and this should be the zone that take us to the next high. Because if you look at Ethereum on the daily time frame, you're gonna see that Ethereum is just moving around this zone here. You can see here. This is the structure here that Ethereum should be broken. This structure, yeah. So this move here on the daily time frame might take us to break that structure, and this should be our target. This value area high here around 3,100. Um, yeah, $3,100 for Ethereum, because we have this liquidity here. If we're gonna break this zone, then it's gonna take us straight away to this value area high based on this analysis. So I think so far Ethereum is bullish. You can see we are holding structure here on this time frame. But again, one thing I'm looking at here, which is somehow not good for Ethereum, is that Ethereum has not yet kissed you see, price has not yet kissed this 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. So I'm a little bit skeptical. Like I think maybe the Ethereum we still need to see some sort of one push downward before a huge bounce to the upside. I don't know, maybe, or maybe not, or maybe we're gonna see price move a little bit upward. Then we're gonna see this free moving average make its way to the upside a little bit. Then price is gonna just fall to on it. Then we're gonna see a huge move to the upside. So looking at Ethereum, I would say that there's still some time. I think maybe one day more for Ethereum before we see the next high. Yeah, but again, we should have lots of liquidity here for price to come and grab. But if we are seeing price rejection here, then it means that we want to favor price want to favor more to the upside until we get to the value area high based on this FIB tool. So there's lots of trades that we can take here for Ethereum, for Bitcoin, which I think is gonna help us make some quick gains, this week. Now let's look at some altcoins you guys wanted me to look at